Good morning, student. In the last class, we discussed about the one of the history portion, the Christianity and Islam chapter. Hope you students, all of you understood very well that chapter. Today's class, let us discuss about the one of the first chapter of your political science. That one chapter name is Our Constitution. It means to say in Kannada, Namma Samvidhana. I just given what are the things as included. It means what we learn in this chapter. The first one, the Constituent Assembly, then the Constitution Drafting Committee, the preamble of our Constitution, and silent futures of our Constitution, and fundamental rights, fundamental duties, and directive principal policies of our state. All these points are discussed in this chapter. Today's class, let us discuss about the starting 3 points. It means the Indian Constituent Assembly, Drafting Committee, then after that preamble of our Constitution, then framing of the Constitution. Before going to the lesson, when we got independence, India had a problem with so many problems. I just mentioned that rehabilitating some of the migrating people from the Pakistan, then printing of marginally stated, which is done by the person of who is called like that Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Then after the independence, we got so many problems. That is one main problem is making a constitution. Today's class, now let us discuss about what are the constitution is include, what are the duties as there now, fundamental rights and directive principal policies, what is there now in the chapter. Before going to the lesson, the first one, the Indian Constituent Assembly. We have to call that Bharatದ ರಚನಾ ಸಭೆ ಅಂತ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. We have to call in Kannada Constituent Assembly. Before going to that one, what is meant by Constitution? ಸಂವಿಧಾನ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? That means Constitution is a set of rules and regulation then guiding to the administration of a state. It means the Constitution is a set of rules. Rules means ನಿಯಮಗಳು, regulation means ನಿಬಂಧನೆಗಳು. Set of ಅಂದ್ರೆ rules and regulations ಅನ್ನು ಒಟ್ಟುಗೂಡಿ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂತಹ guiding for the administration. ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆಡಳಿತವನ್ನ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ, ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ನಮಗೊಂದು ಏನಂತ ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು, ಒಂದು ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ಅದನ್ನ, ನಮಗೊಂದು ವೇ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ಯಾತ್ ಅನ್ನ ಹಾಕೊಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದನ್ನ ಏನಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಐ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟೆಲ್ ಯು ಅಗೇನ್, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಸೆಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ ಗೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ದ ಅಡ್ಮಿನಿಸ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್. ದೆನ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ವಾಟ್ ಆರ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ now? Recommended by the Motilal Nehru. The one of the committee is recommended to us. That one committee name is Motilal Nehru Committee. Then after that one decision making of Constituent Assembly decision is taken by the National Congress of Karachi in the 1939. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರೆಕಮೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಮಿಟಿ. ಆ ಕಮಿಟಿ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮೋತಿಲಾಲ್ ನೆಹರು ಕಮಿಟಿ. ಆ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ನ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದು ಒಂದು ಕಮಿಟಿ, ಅದು ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಕರಾಚಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಆಫ್ 1939. Then it framed with the Indian members in the 1946. So many Indian members are included in this assembly in the 1946. Then after that 389 members with the partition of India. When the partition is done by the India, that time that one is decreased by the membership. The members total on that time 389. It means starting days ಏನಾಗಿತ್ತು, so many people ಇದ್ರು. Then after that ಏನಾಯಿತು, 389 members ಇದ್ರು. After that partition ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ the total assembly members ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ to come down to that one 299. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ರು, 299. The constitution making first meeting, ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ the first meeting held on ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನಡೆದಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ the first meeting held on the 19th December 1946. This is a very important questions to your quiz or other examination. When the first meeting of a constitution is held on anta kelidaga, you just write down the answer like that. the first meeting of Constitution held on the date of 9th December that year of 1946. Then after that second meeting is held on, that one is in the 11th December 1946. These two are very important. Then under the chairmanship of the Dr. Rajendra Prasad, who is the chairmanship of the Constituent Assembly, that one is called as a Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Babu Rajendra Prasad. Then we come to the drafting committee. It means to say Karadu Samiti anta ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. Who is the head, who is the chairman of that committee? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar is the chairmanship. He just taken a chairmanship. Then he was called as a chief architect of a Indian Constitution. ಒಬ್ಬ ಮೂಲ ಶಿಲ್ಪಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಯಾರನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀವಿ? Dr. B.R. Ambedkar ಅನ್ನ ಕರೀತೀವಿ. In this committee so many people are included. Some of them belongs to the Indians, some of them belongs to the others. You just go with your textbook. Then after that, this is the information of the drafting committee. So many persons are there. Jawaharlal Nehru, Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Abdul Kalam, then Maulana Abdul Azad, then Rajagopalachari. Like that, so many people have given an effort to the making of the Constitution. Then we come to the next one thing. Framing of the Constitution. What is this one? Framing of the Constitution. How many days are taken to the framing? Framing means ಸಂವಿಧಾನವನ್ನ ಕಟ್ಟಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ದಿನಗಳನ್ನ ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡ್ರು? How much time should be taken on that time? It means 11 months, 18 days to complete its work. It is of all and so 11 months of 18 days of work should be taken to making of a Constitution. Then approved. These are two dates ಅಷ್ಟೇನಾ. Approved means ಅಂಗೀಕಾರವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು. means ಅದನ್ನು ತೋರಿಸಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 26th November 1949. Then this is coming to the force. ಜನರಿಗೆ ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳಿಸಿದ್ದು ಯಾವಾಗ ಅಂದ್ರೆ January 26, 1950. That day is called as a Republic Day. Got that? This is the framing of the Constitution. Under the framing of the Constitution, so many acts are included our Constitution. I just given us some of the examples like 1909 Act, 1919 Act, 1935 Act. These three acts belong to the first one is British Parliamentary System, then American Bill of Rights, then Directive Principal Policies. It means Rajya Nirdeshana Tatvagalu. That one is taken from the Irish Constitution. This one question is almost all that is raised in your examination or some of the quiz competition. The Directive Principal Policies are taken from the which Constitution? ರಾಜ್ಯ ನಿರ್ದೇಶನ ತತ್ವಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದಿಂದ ಎರವಲು ಪಡೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಲಾಂಗ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಐರಿಷ್ ಸಂವಿಧಾನ. ದ ಐರಿಷ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಇಂದ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ? ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಯಿನಿಂಗ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. ದಟ್ I'm already told that Constitution when making coming to the force ನಮಗೆ ಜನಸಾಮಾನ್ಯರಿಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಂತಹ ಡೇಟು Jan 26, 1950. That day is called as a Republic Day. Each and every year we celebrated on that day is a Republic Day. ಗಣರಾಜ್ಯೋತ್ಸವವಾಗಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Then we come to the preamble to the Constitution. Preamble of a Constitution. Preamble means ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ. It means ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಮೊದಲ ಪುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಇದೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ಕ್ಲೂಡೆಡ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರಿಯಂಬಲ್? ಮೊದಲ ಪುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿದೆ? ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಕಂಟೈನ್ಸ್ ದ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್, ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಗೋಲ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಫಂಡಮೆಂಟಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಸೀಸ್, ಮೂಲಭೂತ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ನಾವಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಐಡಿಯಾಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. ಗೋಲ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ಗೋಲ್ ಏನು, ಗುರಿ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ಪ್ರಿಯಂಬಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. Then it is based on the aspirations. Aspirations means ಧ್ಯೇಯ. Then ideas ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲೆಡ್ಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಐಡಿಯಾಗಳಿದಾವೆ of the people of India, ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳ ಧ್ಯೇಯಗಳನ್ನ, ನಿರ್ಧಾರಗಳನ್ನ ಅವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ? ಪ್ರಿಯಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿದೀವಿ. Then the preamble is a part of a objective then forwarded by the Nehru in the December of 13, 1946. In the 1946 ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಹರು ಅವರು ಏನು ಕರಿತೀವಿ, that one is called as a objective resolution ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. then approved by, ಅದನ್ನ ಅಪ್ರೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ಡೇಟ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂದ್ರೆ that one is approved by the Constituent Assembly in the year of January 22, 1947. This is the preamble of the Constitution. You just take your textbook and come to the 49 page number. This is called as the preamble of a Constitution. It means ನಮ್ಮ ಸಂವಿಧಾನದ ಮೊದಲ ಪುಟದಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನೆಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಆ ಜೆರಾಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. You just read this one. I already told that in the previous classes. In the first Constitution line is told to us that here we just observe we the people of the India. It means ಮೊದಲ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ನಾವು ಭಾರತದ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾದ ನಾವು ಅಂತ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. here that not belongs to the I belongs to the that one caste, I belongs to the this one caste, ಯಾವ ಜಾತಿಗೆ ಸೇರಿದೀವಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. that we all are one, we feel like a one, so that's why we are the people of the India. So we the people of the India. I hope you student this much is enough to today's class. In the coming classes we discuss about the what is the preamble is included more and more points, then salient features of our Constitution. You just write down the home assignment for your homework. The first question, write a note of a Constituent Assembly. Write a note of a Constituent Assembly. Then second one, write a short note about a drafting committee. Write a short note of a drafting committee. Then mention some of the persons who has efforted a lot to making of a Constitution. The next question is, what are the preamble of Constitution contain? What the important things are included in the preamble of the Constitution? The next one, write a short note about the framing of the Constitution. Write a short note about the framing of the Constitution. Thank you student. We discuss in the next class.